Ba, 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 ba. Yes, greetings, greetings. Greetings to the whole wide world, first of all. And today is a special day. Today I'm dedicating this food to someone special. Who you think that special person is? She is my daughter, Princess Marsha. Happy birthday. Now let's get into the mix. This food is my daughter's favorite food. I know it, so you know what I mean. Now today, excuse me, the freestyle will be a little bit different because you know what I mean. It's just plenty vibes today. Princess, well, this is your vibes today. You know, I have one plantain, I got some corn, I got one broccoli, I got 2 English potato, I got 1 sweet potato, I got 1 carrot, I got 5 okra, I got a lemon. That's the seasoning there. This food's supposed to be done with saltfish, you know. I know, you know what I mean, but I didn't have saltfish today, so bow, I'm going to use tuna fish, you know. And then I got some tomatoes there and avocado. These are the seasoning. We'll go into that with the corn. That's it right here. And then I got some lemon. And today, some spinach, you know, spinach leaf will be here also. So I don't want to waste too much of time. Happy birthday, Princess. Pow! Even though you come 100 years old, you're still my little girl. Now, yes, this track is called Let's Do It. So, wow, let's do it. Let's get into the mix. Now, this is how the food is going to be really looking, you know, on the table in the second stage, you know. When I cook it, it's like the Tour de France. You got many stages, you know. This is stage 3. I love it, I love it. Yeah. No, this is the broccoli, you know. I leave the plantain. I'm going to cook it with the skin, you know. Cut the, you know, the sweet potato and the carrots and the potato, you know, and you know, different, you know. And this is the leaf, the spinach leaf, you know. I'm going to steam down this, you know, with some olive oil and like a salt, you know. And the tomato will go into here. That I will steam that down little. You see, I got everything here ready. I put the pepper, the seasoning, you know, a little chili sauce, you know, and a little salt and pepper, and they will go a little lemon here. Now all these will cook down there. The okra also will cook here. Let me take what you call a grape, you know. Yes. Well, I don't want to waste too much time, you know. Let me just get into the mix, you know, one time, you know. Bless you. Yes, greetings. Welcome back to the presentation. And as I was saying earlier on, I dedicate this food to my daughter, Princess Marsha. Turns 31 on the 24th of May 2016. And Princess, watch this item, and when you're going to smell it, your mouth will dribble, or you can touch it. I will eat it for you. Don't eat plenty mango today because you go down Shango. So okay, just make a good item, eat something beautiful as you're watching here. I'm out. Love you all in the whole wide world. Happy birthday, Princess.